Hello students, let's start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 7, formatting a document. First of all, let's see what is formatting. Basically, the formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. So if you want to make your document more attractive, you have to do some formatting. We can create and design appealing documents by changing font and its size. That already we know and we all are doing it. The second thing you can do is you can also set the margins and tabs. You can also change text case, that is capital and small, or the combination of both. Next, you can also do the highlighting certain words. You can also align your text on a page, that is left, right, center. You can also apply borders. You can also adjust line spacing. You can create bulleted or the numbered list. You can change text styles and colors. Formatting effects can be applied using the Home tab, which contains font commands. In the font group, or else you can also use the paragraph options in the paragraph group. You can also use text styles commands in the styles group as shown in figure. You can use copy and moving commands in the clipboard group. You can also find and replace the text, and you can also select the commands using editing groups. So by using this Home tab, you can apply the formatting effects. Before moving ahead, let's know more. The redo button on the quick access toolbar can also be used as a repeat typing tool to rewrite a previously typed word. So just keep in your mind. First of all, let's see how to change the font type. Now let's see what is the fonts. The characters of a specific size and design used for typing the text are called fonts. Microsoft Word provides various types of font options. When you open Word, the text appears in default font, that is Calibri body with 11 point size. So remember, what is the default font? That is Calibri. And what is the default font size? 11 point. So this is the default when you start the Word program. But if you want to change the font type, first of all, select the text. Now, click on the Home tab. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the font box in the font group, as shown in figure. A list of fonts appears. Choose the desired font from the displayed font list and observe the change. So, as I told earlier that Microsoft has set the default font to Calibri with 11-point size in Word 2007 and Word 2010, whereas in previous versions of Word it was Times New Roman. So just keep in your mind, okay, that Calibri and the 11-point size is the default font in Word 2007. Now let's know more. Font size refers to the overall size of the letters. To change the size of font, click on the font size drop-down list in the font group on the Home tab and select any font size from the displayed list. So there are many options available to change the size of your font. One more thing in that, on selecting the text, a small pop-up window appears which has the basic formatting command buttons, that is called a shortcut box, that will come in Word 2007 and Word 2010. Now let's see how to apply bold, italic and underline effect. These all are very easy. The font style options such as bold, italic and underline are used to emphasize the text and catch the reader's attention. Okay, so let's see first of all how to apply the bold effect. The bold option makes the selected word darker than the rest of the text, as shown in figure. Now, what does italic? This effect emphasizes the text by slanting it to the right. As shown in figure. Now let's see the underline effect. The underline effect emphasizes the text by placing a line under it. We can underline a word or sentence both. To apply any font style effects, so first of all, what you have to do? Very easy. First of all, if you want to apply any formatting effect, you have to select your text. So select the text. Now click on the button B or I or U according to your requirement in the font group on the Home tab. Also, the Microsoft Word provides a variety of formatting options which can be selected from the font dialog box on the Home tab. Now, how to do that? Simply click on the font dialog box launcher in the font group. The small arrow, you can see the small arrow that you have to click. So the font dialog box launcher will be open. Now, let's see the shortcut keys for bold, italic and underline. The shortcut key for bold is Ctrl+B. The shortcut key for italic is Ctrl+I. And the shortcut key for underline is Ctrl+U. Okay, so here part 1 ends. Thank you for watching my video.